How many eggs are we making?
2 for everyone. Because I want to, Joel will want to, and Caleb will. I'm not sure about Mariah. We can make her 2 in case.
Okay. 2 eggs each. Sounds good. Sounds like a plan.
What do you want?
What kind of eggs do we like?
The ones that are still in egg shape.
Yeah, they're boiled and they're a bit runny. We're gonna make 6-minute eggs. 6-minute eggs. And you can see how they turn out. Okay, James, first up, we've got to boil some water.
Why is...
If you put warm water in the pot, you're going to save yourself a lot of time, boiling time. Do yourself a favor, warm tap water. Turn the element on to high.
Where's high? I don't see.
Click and it'll say max. Push and then turn it over to max.
I can't.
You can't get it?
Oh, this one.
No, this is what we need. There we go. And you gotta put the lid on.
Okay, so it doesn't...
Yeah, we're gonna put the lid on and wait for it to boil. James loves carrots. So with his eggs, he wanted some veggies and dip. So that's what we're gonna make up. We leave the peel on because a lot of the vitamins and vegetables are actually in the peel. So we leave the peel on, and I have this veggie cloth that scrubs them well. Here's the carrot.
Yummy. I want to eat the carrot now because I love carrot. Chop them little so I can eat them. Hey, I want some! Give me some.
Water's boiled. So we're gonna add in our eggs safely. You put one in there. Eggs boiling. Put on the timer. 6 minutes. Good job, James. We're gonna put ice in the bowl. Ice water when they're cooked. Fill it with cold water. And when the eggs are done cooking, you plunge them into the cold water. Plunge them in there. And it stops them from cooking any further. It also helps to release the shell from the rest of the eggs. If your eggs crack, mine did, it's not a big deal. We're just a few seconds away from 6 minutes. And I'm actually leaving 2 eggs in there to make 10-minute eggs for Caleb, because that's what he wanted today. James is going to scoop out the 10-minute eggs.
My turn?
Yeah, and put it into the other ice water. Yeah, we'll keep them separate from the other ones. Okay. I'm going to put the lid on that hot water, turn it off, and move it off to the side to cool. Now we get to peel the eggs, James. So you crack them. I just give it a crack and toss it back in. Crack. Okay. I can start.
Peeling.
And these are fresh farm eggs. People say you can't peel fresh farm eggs. Yes, you can. Good job, James. Okay, let's see if we can do the trick. Ready? You hold it, and I'm going to try. You hold it. Got it? Look. There it is. The perfect little yolk. And you can just see it sitting there, all jiggly and lovely. Perfect runny egg. Yum! Put some salt on. Mariah! Here's your food, sweetie.
Yum.
6-minute eggs. Yum. 10-minute egg.
Not runny. Oh, I like it that way.
You like it this way?
Mhm.
There you go, sir.
I want.
How are you doing, James?